This is our bathroom. Yeah, bathtub. Shower. Master's bedroom.
Yeah. I think this is the carpet.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought we choose the round one. This is the roof. No, this is not the standard one. Yeah. That's the stairs and the big window there. That's where we're gonna put the pool table here. And this is the baby's room. The second baby. Yeah, I like that color. That window right there. And the closet. Yeah. And here's the bathroom. There, that's me videoing. There's the bathroom. Oh, and here's the laundry room. Right there. There's no washer and dryer yet. Soon to buy. And this one is the linen closet. See that? There's the stairs. And here's Angel's bedroom. Angel. Yeah. Yeah. It's blue, huh? So need to change the color. You want blue? Do you want blue? Yeah? No. You want pink or purple, huh? Oh, yeah? Come here. You go. Here's... Where are you? Can you get Angel? I'm gonna go downstairs. Here's the stairs. Here's the big window again. And... there. There's two stairs, huh? There's the greeting area. There's the dining table. That's the main door. There. See that? That's nice, huh? We're in the first floor. This is the bathroom for the guests. See that? It's kind of dark. Here's the guest area, guest room. Here's the closet. See, nice. We're gonna go to the kitchen. Kitchen. Here's the kitchen, the big kitchen. Here. That's the island. That's actually we're here in the model house. So the island there, the color of the granite is not the one that we choose. We're choosing the dark one. See that? Here. Here's the pantry door. Nice. And the dining, second dining. There's the family room. There's the fireplace there. And this one is the backyard. I can't open it. I can't open the door. Right there. See, it's a big backyard, huh?